So the things that contribute to the cost of healthcare, of course, AnnaMarie, the plan you choose, because like a lot of these decisions you make in retirement, there are a wide range of plans and choices and a wide range of prices.
Yeah, and people watching know that. There is so much information that you are receiving, whether it's in your mailbox or phone calls or people coming to your door. It's hard, like which route do I go? There is so much information out there. So this is where we can get together and streamline the information to how it suits your needs. And really the two big ones out there to choose from as far as your medical supplement go is, do I go traditional, which are all the letters, F, G, K, N, or do I go the Advantage plan route? Under both plans, you are entitled to the same care. It's just very different in how you pay for it. And there are some guideline rules as well as far as health questions and pre-existing conditions. This is where we get into that, but that's the information that you really want to cut through to see what you are comfortable with.
And that's part of the real value that you can bring to the table in those consultations is you'll walk them through what if you choose the traditional plan, the alphabet soup of Medicare, what if you choose the Advantage plan, and what are some of the considerations that you should be thinking about if you go this route and then you want to change your mind a year or two down the road, because there can be some roadblocks with trying to come back to a plan if you change down the road.
That's right, because every year we have annual enrollment, which is from October 15th to December 7th, and that's where you can make those changes. And so that is a great point to bring up, because let's say you start off on an Advantage plan, right? You have that possibly a 0 monthly premium or a very low premium, and you're just paying co-pays. But then as the years go on, you kind of like that security of the traditional plan where you know exactly what you're going to pay every month in premium and you'll have lower cost on the back end. Well, this is where you can make that change. Now the fine print is, let's say you start off on the Advantage plan, a few years later you want that security on plan G. In order to make that switch, you have to be able to answer health questions. And you could either be denied coverage or pay a higher standard premium as opposed to a preferred premium.
Another big factor that can contribute to what you pay for healthcare in retirement is where you live. Not only does it contribute to what you pay, it contributes to your options, and you've got a great example.
Exactly. Again, location, 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 just like real estate, right? So this is an example of what options you have within Polk County. So again, shout out to all the Iowans watching. This is Des Moines, surrounding metros. Polk County, these are Advantage plans available to you. Now when it comes to traditional plans, Plan G, Plan F, they're the same in Iowa as they are in California and Florida. It stays the same. But Advantage plans have different benefits, you'll have different co-pays, you could have different premiums, different out-of-pocket max, all very varying in degree. So in Polk County, this is the number of options you have to choose from, right? There's a filtering process that you can go through. What kind of benefits would you like? How are your medications covered? A lot of things to go through. And again, one of the main questions I get is, oh, I want that Advantage plan that my brother-in-law is on in northwestern Iowa, right? Well, it depends on county. So then we pulled a different county within the state of Iowa, Davis County. Look at the number of options and how it shrunk significantly. So your brother-in-law's plan in northwestern Iowa will possibly not even be available to you if you are in a different county. And then finally, you may be living in a county where there are no Advantage plans available, and you would need to be looking at the traditional route. So again, location, location, location. Find out what is available to you and what your options are.
And in case you're like me, Taylor County, one of the sparsely populated counties in Iowa, down on the Missouri border, Bedford is the county seat. So I counted it. Polk County, you got 23 options. Davis County, I think you have 7. Taylor, you have 0. So what do you do if you're in Taylor? You have to go to the other option.
Yep, you're probably going to want to look at the traditional plan, possibly point of service. It just kind of depends on what else is available. But as far as the Advantage plan goes, you're going to have to look elsewhere.
Thank you for watching this clip of Retiring Today, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have questions about your retirement plan, take advantage of the complimentary 15-minute retirement checkup phone call.